Okay guys, so what I got here is my old Android phone. It was only 80 bucks at the time I got it, and this was a couple years ago. But like, I got a new phone, so I thought I'd do something cool with this one. So what I did is I took a strip of firecrackers and I taped it to it. So I used electrical tape. And so we're just gonna set this off and see what it does to it. So as you can see, it's got some new cracks on the screen. The back's fine. And so the last test is to see if it turns on. The battery might be this. I'm gonna plug this in, and oh, look at that. It still turns on. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, please drop a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment and subscribe.